Here's Nora's first pair of blue jeans. Let's get some lights on. Nora! Hey, you! Where you headed? Boom. You're okay. That was just a car honking. Car says beep beep. Come over here. Walk to Mama. Can you walk to Mama? It's okay, sweetie. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? It's okay. It's okay, little bum. Come here. It's just a car. Oof. Oof. Who's this? Who's that? Hi, camera. Hi. Let me see you walk. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're cute in blue jeans. Wow. Those are different pants, huh? Dada's not home yet. This is way too cute.